Welcome to this video on mastering SAP Sales and Distribution in Mumbai. We will explore how this essential enterprise module can help you build a future-proof career. Digital transformation is now a business necessity. SAP ERP acts as the central engine for modern enterprises, creating a significant opportunity for skilled professionals to manage these complex digital ecosystems. SAP Sales and Distribution, or SD, is the heartbeat of enterprise revenue. It automates the entire sales cycle, from initial inquiry and quotation to final customer payment, boosting efficiency and service. SAP SD integrates seamlessly with other core modules like materials management, production planning, warehouse management, and financial accounting to ensure accurate, real-time data across your organization. Our curriculum starts with the foundation of master data, including customer and material records, before moving into core sales processes like order generation and scheduling. We then progress to fulfillment and finance. This covers shipping, delivery, and the critical processes of billing, pricing configuration, and managing credit and debit notes. To remain competitive, this video focuses on SAP S/4HANA SD. You will gain modern skills, including working with Fiori applications, real-time analytics, and advanced sales process management. Mumbai, India's financial capital, offers a unique advantage. Our training leverages this corporate hub by providing industry-focused learning, expert trainers, and dedicated career support. Whether you are a fresh graduate, an experienced sales professional, or looking for a career pivot, our program provides a strategic path into the enterprise technology space. Finally, we focus on the ROI of your training. You will be prepared for certification and high-value roles such as SAP SD consultant or business analyst in a global market.